got a cute little list that I made up this morning. Function, dysfunction. So I'm going to teach you something. Function, dysfunction, or decay. Function is normal. Dysfunction is pathophysiological. We're beginning to change. And decay is where you're going, down the road, where you don't want to go. So then we have thought form constructs, beliefs, opinions, strongly held emotional charges, global constructs, all sorts of things. And everything can be broken down into construction, destruction, or deconstruction. Now, what I recommend, and I try to do with everyone every time, is deconstruction. Take apart your beliefs, take apart your symptoms, take apart your labels, and whatever's left, whatever remains, is just energy in a pattern. Now, again, is that true? Yeah, it probably is. But what is energy? It's all mind as well. What is mind? It's energy as well. Does the mind exist? The great science sages who are basically consciousness scientists say no. So I'm going to go with them because, even though I haven't had that experience, I know a few people that have. And they seem pretty credible to me. So let's see here. Okay, playing a game. That's good. There you go. There we go. Okay, resistant this. I'm looking at everybody's stuff, and as my fingers are moving, I'm tracking patterns. Now I want to ask you something, and this is all new, by the way. Well, it's not new. I've been thinking about these things for a long time, but I like to renew my awareness of things by asking new questions, and I particularly like it when I wake up in the middle of the night. There we go. When I wake up in the middle of the night and a voice is teaching me, and this happens every once in a while. I guess I'm getting close to my birthday a couple months from now. Maybe it's an early birthday present. But the thing is, these voices in my head, they're not telling me to, do anything dangerous. They are telling me to pay attention. And so paying attention can be very useful. And one of the questions that came to me this morning is how many angels can dance on the head of a pin? You ever heard that one? Bet you have. So here's our master angel module. All right, yeah. All right, here she is. So if that were a template for angels, okay? And if a pointless point, remember the 2-pointed matrix energetics, I've said for years now, there's no point to the 2-point. It points to nothing. But nothing is the actual ground state of everything. So that's quite a profound statement in some ways. All right, so if we have a pin here, we have angels dancing on it, and we take your patterns. Let's take this first set. Not that one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, that one. Okay, there's some good stuff. There's some good stuff. Okay, so I've got some things. Let's play with blood sugar patterns just because I said we would. But I've got other things there. I've got anxiety and chronic stuff. So we got this angel master module. Now, if you look at the center of it, that represents the head of the pin. You see how these rays are coming out in all directions? Those are directional coordinates in consciousness. And the thing about all of life that I've noticed, and that seems to be relatively true, is everything has torsion or spin. And in fact, when you get down to the Russian physics, which is the fantastic stuff that Tesla was talking about, everything is spin. So you can create the whole universe. There we go. You don't mind me talking and informing while we're performing, do you? I don't think you do, because we're working deeply, and I can be talking about the weather or about dogs surfing on the top of porpoises, and it still is right on purpose.